Hello, my little babies. So good to see you again. We are going to use our Play-Doh today to make a Play-Doh face. And then at the end, you're going to show how you feel by putting a smile on your face or making a neutral face. Or if you feel sad, maybe you'll put a frown on your face. Hopefully, you're feeling happy today. I have my daughter here. Her name is Lauren, and Lauren is going to make the face while I narrate. Okay, so first, Lauren, take some of your yellow and we're going to use yellow for our face, for our head. Okay, and she's kneading it, and then she's going to put it onto our paper plate. She's going to roll it out. And then she's going to flatten it, make it into a ball, flatten it in the center of the paper plate. And we're going to make it nice and big because we want a nice big face. We want a big place to make all our facial features, like our eyes. She's going to grab a little more because what she had was not quite enough. Because we want to make sure that we have a lot of space for our eyes and our nose and our mouth and even ears. We can give ourselves hair too. There we go. Make sure you're working over the plate so everybody can see what you're doing. Okay, put it down and flatten. Flatten it out nice and big. And we're working on a paper plate because then you can hopefully keep your face for a while. Your Play-Doh will dry out, but that's okay. Your shape is going to be on your paper plate, so you'll be able to keep it for a while. Flatten it out. Make it into a circle. There we go. Isn't Lauren doing a fantastic job? Okay, there's our head. Now, and that's the perfect size, Lauren. Good job. All right, now we're going to make some eyes. Lauren is going to use some green for our eyes, and we only need a little bit of the green because the eyes are small compared to the head, right? So she's going to roll it into a ball. She's got two pieces. Good job. And then she's going to put it right where the eyes should go. There we go. Perfect. Perfect green eyes. All right, Lauren, how about a nose? A blue nose. All right. And we're going to make that into a ball first, and then we're going to flatten it and make it sort of like into a triangle. So if you put your hands, there we go, and put it out in the flat of your hand. There we go. And pinch the top to make it like a triangle. Make it more of a nose shape. There we go. Perfect. All right. And the nose goes where? Right there in the middle of the face. Nice job, Lauren. All right. How about a smile? What color smile do we want? Actually, you know what? No, let's do the ears first. All right, ears. What color ears do we want? Blue ears. All right. Let's do some blue ears. And where do the ears go, kids? They go on the side of the head. And they're going to go right about here in between the eyes and the nose. There we go. And Lauren made balls with those. Oh, perfect. She made balls with the ears, or with the Play-Doh rather, and she's molding them into the shape of ears and putting them on the side of the head. That's perfect. All right. Perfect. Okay, now our guy needs some hair. So what color hair do we want? We want red hair, all right. Red hair. Now, boys and girls, we're going to make a snake. So, we're going to push our plate up. So we have a little bit of room here. So, Lauren, can you show the kids what you made? Okay, so she took the Play-Doh and she kind of rolled it in her hands like this. There we go. There we go. Okay, and now to flatten it and make it even flatter, she's going to roll it on the counter a little bit. There we go. And Lauren has long hair, so she's going to make some nice long hair for her face. Maybe you have short hair. If you have short hair, maybe you would do something like this. You would take a lump of Play-Doh, roll it around into a ball, and take off little pieces. Just like that. Roll them between your fingers. And maybe you would stick little hairs on the top of your head like this. Right? There's one. That kind of looks like a horn. We don't want that now, do we? Okay, so we just put hair all over the top if you have short hair. Make it look like your hair, however your hair looks. Okay, so if you wanted short hair, you might do it like that. Okay, if you wanted short hair, you might do this. Give yourself some bangs like that. And then Lauren's rolling out her red Play-Doh, see that? And then on this side of your head, you might do your hair like that. Here we go. There's some short hair. First we did some spiky hair, now we've just got some short hair. But again, Lauren's got long, long hair. So how's she gonna do it? She's rolling out that Play-Doh. There we go. She's got a nice long line now. Okay, now she's gonna put it. Oh, look how cute. Oh, very cute. All right, now our last step, we're gonna kind of move. Let's let that ear be visible. There we go. Okay, the last step. How are you feeling today? I want you to think about it. First, Lauren's gonna take some more red Play-Doh like she did the first time. She's gonna roll that out just like she did. She has less Play-Doh than she did the first time. Okay, she's gonna roll it out to make a mouth. How are you feeling today, Lauren?
I'm feeling happy today.
All right, she's feeling happy today, so she's going to make a smile. If I wasn't sure how I was feeling, I might make just a straight line, just like that. Not really happy, not really sad. What if I were feeling sad? How would I make my line? There we go. Oh, look how sad she looks. But watch her turn that frown upside down. And there's her happy face. Yay! Aw, isn't she cute? Yes, she is very cute. All right, let's get a picture of her. My friends, I hope you had a lot of fun. I will see you next week. Make sure you store your Play-Doh in an airtight container in the refrigerator so that you can play with it for a while. And if you want to experiment, mix your colors. You can mix your yellow with your red to get some orange. You can mix your yellow with your green to get some yellow green. You can mix blue and yellow to get what color? Green. And you can mix red and blue and you'll get what color? That's right, purple. All right, have fun, my friends. Bye-bye.